Let's see how to modify your text on your Wix website. Editing text in Wix allows you to customize your site's content to effectively communicate with your audience. In this tutorial, we'll go through a simple step-by-step process to add and edit text using the Wix editor. First, you need to open Wix account on your browser, and once you're in, click Design Your Website. You will see a plus button on the left panel on your browser, and then it is labeled as Add Elements. Now, once you hover on it, click on Text. Choose the type of text you need. In example, heading or paragraph, and drag it into your page. To customize the text appearance, use the toolbar to modify your text. Once you've made your changes, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. That's how you modify text on your Wix website. See you soon!